Today, I'm going to show you a clean and strong welding technique that every fabricator should know. Look closely at this joint. This is a corner weld where precision matters more than speed. Before striking the arc, surface preparation is key. Clean metal, proper fit up, and the right angle make all the difference. Now watch the weld bead. Notice the consistent ripple pattern. That's a sign of correct heat control and steady hand movement. I'm not rushing this weld. I'm focusing on penetration, uniform spacing, and smooth travel speed. A common mistake many beginners make is moving too fast or overheating the joint. That leads to weak welds and poor appearance. Here, I'm using a controlled motion, letting the puddle flow evenly into both sides of the joint. This creates a strong bond and a professional finish. Pay attention to the edges. You want full fusion without undercut or excess buildup. This technique is widely used in structural steel, frames, and heavy fabrication work across the United States. Good welding isn't just about strength. It's about consistency, safety, and craftsmanship. If you're learning welding or trying to improve your skills, practice this method slowly and patiently. Quality always beats speed. Thanks for watching. If this weld inspired you, don't forget to like, follow, and keep practicing your craft.